Hi there, it's John and Liana from IntoU. Now, just a very quick message from us because, our original aim with IntoU was that we were going to have evening and weekend workshops and so on around relationships and so on. And really, genuinely thanks for your interest in that. But that obviously is just not going to happen at the moment. And probably, maybe for the next 3 to 6 months, there's no chance of that happening. So Liara and I have had to sit down and have a real think about what we might do. So what are we going to be doing, Liana?
We created a group in Facebook, which is called Relationships in Lockdown. And we invite you to join that group because that will be our focus for the moment, to help lots of people who maybe perceive themselves as being stuck at home, having issues with relationships or having issues with being by themselves. It's all about relationships, so it will be relevant for you too.
Yeah, so we're going to be doing 3 bunches of things. It doesn't matter whether you're in a relationship or not. It doesn't matter if you're isolated by yourself or not, or with other people. But we're going to be doing 3 things. One is obviously posting information, hopefully a lot of funny, entertaining, amusing stuff, activities to do and so on. We're going to be having a weekly challenge, which you can all the challenges you could be able to do by yourself or connected with other people in whatever way you're doing that. And the third most important thing is for people to share their experience of relationships in lockdown. So just kind of reminding people that they're not on their own. That there's, I guarantee you there are tens of thousands of arguments out there about how to load the dishwasher, more than there's ever been. That all that kind of stuff is going on. So it's to just bottom line is to let people know they're not alone. There are solutions to problems. There are tips and advice that they can follow, and even if just to connect on our group and vent, that's absolutely fine.
And of course, you can ask any questions you like. We will, answer the question. If you're single, you can ask us question and we will answer it. If you're in a relationship and you have some issues, you will answer it. If you're separated from your partner and they have to isolate somewhere else, that could be another scenario. So whatever questions, it's all about relationships. It's all about yourself and your self-discovery and how to connect with other people. So we hope you join us in another group, and you hope you understand why we changed that around, because there's a massive need right now and we want to be useful and helpful to as many people as we can.
Yep, and we'll get back on track with our live workshops and weekend events as soon as we can. But for now, obviously, we need to operate a bit differently. So we'll see you soon inside the Relationships in Lockdown group. There'll be a link below the video or attached to the video somewhere, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.